The question is, how would I add curb appeal to my garage? That's a good question. There's plenty of garages, especially the wider the garage, it seems like the more the issue. You know, obviously a single car garage wouldn't be the same as a 2 or even a 3. But, you know, when you get into those bigger expanses, there's often a huge amount of wall above the garage that looks like it needs something. A couple things come to mind. One is an arbor. Not a huge thing, but just a little accent, something that just projects out a little bit, gives you an opportunity maybe to get some plants growing in it. Next thing over that, right after the arbor, would be a small roof. It's not necessary, it's just for the look, you know, it's all about the look. But I'm talking about a roof that might project out 3 to 4 feet maximum. Usually a roof like that would look best if it had some kind of a bracket holding it up as opposed to posts. Either way though, one of those two choices usually fits the bill, and they really do add a lot to a home.